Hi everyone, welcome to the East Java. We are through the Baluran National Park close to Banyuwangi. The road is incredible, very good. We are under the tree for the moment, it's not very hot. Very close to the Gunung Baluran, the mountain, and the top is over 1,200 meters. Absolutely beautiful. So we are expecting today to see some animals, water buffalo, monkeys, birds. Very nice trip. So we hope that you will enjoy with us the road. And I see you later for other beautiful image. See you soon. Ciao.